Getting lists of indices from Pandas Dataframe. I'm trying to get a list of indices out of a Pandas dataframe. First, do an import. Construct a Pandas dataframe. Output. I would like to have the indices on the left of the dataframe when the coverage is set to true, but I would like to have this for every name separately. Preferably do this without an explicit for loop. Desired output is something like this. Attempted solution, I thought I should use group B and then access the coverage column. From there, I don't know how to proceed. All help is appreciated.
You want to get the index out for each group. This is stored in the groups attribute of a group B data frame. Will return, from which you can access the individuals as you would a regular dictionary. Returns, which you can treat like a regular list.
This is doable, using Boolean indexing first followed by the group B. You may use dfgroupie.ag to get your output as a column of lists.
This should work. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.